Now let's introduce BRK breaking new release PMT-360 High Precision Thickness Gauge. Achieve unprecedented accuracy, measuring down to 0.05 mm. The PMT-360 features high-speed digital data acquisition. This ensures consistently fast, accurate, and reliable measurement, critical for quality control. Its extensive measurement range covers application from ultra-thin material 0.05 mm up to 2000 mm, versatile enough for metals, non-metals, and coating thickness measurement. Discover the PMT-380 High Precision Thickness Gauge. See its performance firsthand at the Shanghai Intelligent Factory and Welding Cutting Exhibition on July 29 to 31st. Visit us in Hall 3H, booth 3861.